event, the last event of the summer. We're so glad to have you out here. Thank you all who have come and purchased your raffle tickets. I hope you win because you need to get away. Don't you need to get away? Yeah, everybody needs to get away. Thank you. Thank you so much for being out this afternoon again. I'm Rachel Jones, the customer experience specialist here. And we are raffling a couple of things. The 7-day getaway was the one thing. The wine, no, that was the third prize. The second prize is 2 tickets to the DMV BOA Christmas party. We'll be at the Chart House and watching the Christmas boat parade on the water at the same time as we're having dinner, which will be so nice. We'll be inside, or it's a little bit chilly outside. But thank you so much for purchasing your raffle tickets. We'll announce the winner today before we leave. How about that? And you have to be present to win. So the DMV BOA is the DMV Boat Owners Association, and we always promote that you don't have to have a boat. I say yeah, because I'm going to have me a boat. But you don't have to have a boat to be part of this organization because it's something.
I'm sure it's something else you don't have that it will help out.
Whether it's water safety,
Keep reading.
there are some
Memorial Day. Okay.
Down by the Wawa?
all kinds of things that you can do for boating. And boating is sometimes
Because I was looking the other day.
you just kind of never pursue it because people tell you, oh my God, it's so expensive. Maybe it is, but you can also partner with other people who have a boat, share the expenses and all these kinds of things. As a non-boater myself, right now, I do get on the boats with other boat owners, but guess what? I never come empty-handed here. They always want me on their boat. You know why? Because I bring stuff with me. I bring food. You want to drink a little something? I don't have nothing, but I will bring something, and that's really how you partner with boat owners. We don't want to be doing things for free. We all have expenses to pay, so we help the boat owners, and so that we can get it on the same spot. I hope that we can some insight into
Gotta have a winner at least.
you know, getting into the boating lifestyle. So in any case,
That's why we like to let people try before they buy. We don't want people spending their money, then they get mad because they got one with it. What they start. No, we're not like that. Take care of that, so that'll be $8. There you are.
this was back here years ago. But it's been here, and I'm so glad. I'm part of the Pennsylvania community. My kids went to school here, and so it's wonderful to have these community events. Okay, so moving right along, the CMOS lady is over there. Looks like she's giving a master class. I'd love to have you come and talk about your CMOS lady. Would you like to do that? Come on over and talk to us about that, and the on and popping confectionaries. I would love to have one of you come and talk about what you have over there. I'm going to go get them because they're here. So in any case, here's the CMOS lady, and I'll be right back.
Hello. Hi. My name is Linda Clark. I am the lovely lady, CMOS lady. How many of you know that your health is your wealth? Your health is your wealth. And most people don't realize it. They be like, oh, CMOS, it's all over the internet. Everybody's selling it, but buyers beware. So if you want to get educated on it, please come and see me. I got into CMOS 6 years ago with my sister, rest in peace, but she was diagnosed with ovarian cancer, and she wasn't eating because of the chemotherapy. And I'm like, my sister's dying, what I'm going to do? So an ex-boyfriend of mine, so another lady of mine concerned about my sister, and she said, get us some CMOS.
What's the dark one?
I didn't know the children was.
I didn't know nothing about CMOS, but I got into it. So I bought a little bitty bottle like this for $60
That's the only one
to
you can
give to
get.
my sister. And I'm like, I can't afford it, so I went to Jamaica.
That's the one you want?
And other Caribbean islands, and everybody, I walk up to them like, what is CMOS? Tell me about CMOS. Where did that for you? And so I got educated, and I did a lot of research. So you can't tell me nothing about the CMOS that you doesn't know. So please, please come over, get educated. I have samples. It gives you a lot of energy. Basically, it cleans your gut. It reverses the aging process. It restores your organs, and it's good for your skin. And it does a lot of other things for the men, but I'm not going to tell you about it. But thank you. Come
They'd
on.
like you to go speak,
Oh, okay.
introduce yourself.
I got this.
On and Poppin' Confectionery is there, and she is coming to talk to us about the infused popcorn.
I'll wait because I'm hungry with you. I need your popcorn. I need the tap. I go home and I think I was trying to get out of it.
Good evening, good afternoon. My name is Monique Jackson. I am the founder of On and Poppin' Confectionaries, where I have infused the popcorn with spirits and wine. I can customize it. I do wedding favors, corporate. My popcorn with the mix and WNBA concession stand.
Like half a mile, he was just going. And then it wasn't one, it was one. Then about 2 miles later, it was another one. About 5 miles after that, it was another one. With the last one. It'd be like the Tour de France when they be going up and down mountains like that. Except we be sitting down just going up a nice and slow.
I was gonna bring my lesson right down here.
That's still a lot of rides, man.
Hey, TJ.
Hey.
I rode that bus somewhere. My damn knees was killing me. Like, what I need to ride.
People leave in different ways, and where you can find